Hello, OpenY community. My name is Andrei, and I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your OpenY codebase to start using YUSA OpenY codebase. As you might know, in the wiki, in our documentation, we have OpenY upgrade path described, and you still should follow that document. I'll post link in the description of this video in order to upgrade to YUSA OpenY version. You need to upgrade to latest OpenY stable version, which is 9.2.11.3, before switching from OpenY to YUSA OpenY. So this video I assume in this video that you already did an upgrade to the latest version of OpenY stable before jumping to the YUSA OpenY version. So let me mock the tree of codebase by pulling latest OpenY stable version to my local machine. Okay, so now after I obtained latest OpenY version, let me verify which version I have. Composer show. So as you can see, I have YMCA Twin Cities OpenY version 9.2.11.3. Now I'm going to jump to the YUSA OpenY version. For that, I need to run a couple of steps. First step is I should remove root directory composer.json. In case you have changes to this composer.json in your installation, you need to reapply those changes after pulling latest version of composer.json from YUSA OpenY project. So I'm removing my composer.json, and now I'm downloading composer.json from YUSA project. So this file is now downloaded, and this is exact step when you need to reapply your changes to composer.json before going to next step. So let's assume that you applied your changes to composer.json, and after applying you need to run composer update dash capitalized W. It means that composer will upgrade all dependencies. You need to allow all plugins for composer and proceed with an upgrade. And you can follow the screen of log to understand what's happening. So in this case, composer is removing OpenY profile and adding YUSA OpenY profile, which means that if you have customizations to profiles contrib OpenY, you would need to reapply those customizations on top of profiles contrib YUSA OpenY. Let's wait for this to finish, and I'll scroll back to show you. So here is what's happening. Composer is removing YMCA Twin Cities OpenY version 9.2.11.3, and it is installing back YCloud YUSA OpenY 9.2.11.4. So that's why you need to upgrade to the latest version of OpenY, because you need to ensure that all update routines executed in your database. And that's why you need to reapply your customizations of OpenY if they were not backported to OpenY, to the YUSA OpenY. Because, let me show you, I'm going to go to doc-root, profiles, contrib. As you can see, in your current OpenY, you would see here OpenY folder. After upgrade to YUSA OpenY, you'll get YUSA OpenY folder, while folder of OpenY is removed here. So at this step, you need to reapply your customizations from OpenY to YUSA OpenY. The code itself within YUSA OpenY is not changed except of couple of strings in terms of name and version of OpenY. This is so-called technical release of YUSA OpenY, which was created in order for all agencies and all partners to be able to switch from OpenY codebase to YUSA OpenY codebase. Hopefully this was helpful. This is the short tutorial how to upgrade your code base. After you upgraded your code base, you need to proceed with standard procedure of upgrading database by running drush update db and checking OpenY upgrade tool logs for config changes and apply those changes or drop those changes in admin interface. Thank you for listening and happy OpenY!